Changing up your exterior walls is a great way to add style and character to your home, and it's easier than you think to do yourself. The key to a great exterior finish is preparation before painting, and we'll show you how to repair surface flaws and achieve a stunning refresh with Dulux. Here's what you'll need. Brush clean any surfaces, clearing away dirt and cobwebs. Thoroughly wash the walls with Selleys Original Sugar soap to remove grease and dirt. If you have a pressure washer, use this to clean, then wait to dry. If there is any mould present, use Selleys Mould Killer. If you have any holes or cracks in your exterior surface, use the Selleys No More Gaps Exterior or Selleys No More Cracks Exterior Brick and Render. Next up, you'll need to mask the area. This will make your paint job faster and cleaner. Using a good quality masking tape, stick along any edges you don't want to paint. Double check the edges of the tape are stuck down firmly to ensure a clean paint line. Finish prepping the area by laying down a drop sheet. Now you're ready to prime. If you are covering a dark colour or a surface that hasn't been primed or painted, you will need to apply an undercoat. It can also provide a better coverage. If your substrate is particularly powdery, thoroughly wash the surface with Selleys Original Sugar soap and seal with Dulux Precision Sealer Binder. Today, we're priming with Dulux One-Step Prep Primer Sealer Undercoat. Its mold-resistant technology and stain-blocking properties ensures your exterior paint shines now and into the future. Once your primer has dried, your preparation is done. Great job! Now you're ready for your top coat. Get inspired for colour and texture by speaking to the Help and Advice team. Worth doing, worth Dulux.